Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. So I wanted to do a makeup tutorial that is very simple, very easy, very work slash school appropriate, very just very simple. This is honestly what my go-to makeup look is. If I have to step out the house or like we want to go to the mall but it's like a bajillion degrees in Florida, this will be my go-to makeup look. Something that has full coverage but also looks very natural. Like I said, it's very simple, very easy to attain, and you could honestly like follow along and do this with me. That's how easy it is. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. But before you start watching, you better subscribe, girl. Alright guys, you already know the drill. I'm going to take the Smashbox Photofinish Primer in Light, and I'm going to put this all over my face. I really like this primer because it's like a cream moisturizer and it soaks into my skin very well because I have very oily skin. Now I'm taking the Sephora Color Correcting Concealer, and this is in the color Apricot, and I just place this anywhere that I have any dark spots or hyperpigmentation. And basically what this does is any peach color or orange colored concealer, it's going to cancel out any darkness or any blue spots that you have on your face. For foundation, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match Foundation. And what I really like about this foundation is that it is drugstore. There is a really good color variety for this line, and it comes in like the neutral, warm tones, and cool tones, so you get to find your like true match. No pun intended. And one last thing that I like about this foundation is that it has a very satiny finish, and I like satin finish foundations. I don't really like it when it's too matte or too dewy. This is just the perfect balance for me. Now I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is the really old packaging. I probably should get rid of this because who knows how long it's been that I've had this. But I take this and I like to highlight my face with it. And the reason why I do this, I mention this in every video, I do this because a foundation to me is meant to blend into your skin, and so it just blends in very well with whatever foundation I use, and it gives me the best coverage for under my eyes. Um now I'm going to take the back of the Eco Tool sponge, and this has the L'Oreal True Match foundation on it still, like whatever's left over. I like to blend out the edges so that way it just kind of melts into my skin. This is just a nice little trick to use whenever you're blending out your foundation and your concealer. It makes everything look a lot more blended and a lot more put together, and it gets rid of any harsh lines that you may have on your face from where the concealer ends and where your foundation ends. Now I'm going to take the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm going to bake under my eyes. I'm also going to place this anywhere that I have put the concealer so that way it can set that. I have a really oily face, so sometimes I am heavy-handed with the powder. That's just my preference. The powder is just going to soak up the oils from my face. I'm also placing this on my eyelids to set my eyelids and get ready for the eyeshadow that I'm going to put on my eyes. Now I'm going to take the Bronze Essentials palette, and I'm going to take this on like a really dense e.l.f. fan brush, and I'm going to place this in the hollows of my cheeks. I'm also going to put this on my temples, on my forehead. By putting it on your forehead, it kind of like slims down your 5 head if you have a 5 head. I don't think I have a 5 head, but I like to bring that down as much as I can. Also, I'm going to go ahead and place this on my double chin. I want to lose some pounds for the camera, for the gram. Now I'm also going to take the Eco Styles, that's a gel. I'm also going to take the Eco Tools sponge, and I'm going to place this under the bronzer. It cleans up the look, and it also makes your cheekbones look really structured and really nice. And now I'm going to go back in with the Bronze Essentials palette, that middle bronze shade, and I'm going to place that in the crease of my eye. This is just going to add some depth and definition to the eye. I'm not really placing this in any particular way. I'm just going back and forth in my crease, really messy, just deepening my crease. Now I'm going to take this gold shade from the palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm just going to take a big e.l.f. fluffy brush or any fluffy brush that you have, and I'm going to dust away the bakage powder from under my eyes and anywhere else that I set my face so I don't look like Casper. Now I'm going to take the gold shade again from that palette, and I'm going to place it in my inner corner as an inner corner highlight. When you're doing natural looks, you kind of want all your highlights to look the same so that way you're giving that same glow. So I'm also going to use that same highlight and put it on my cheeks. And I take this with a fan brush, and as you can see, I apply it as like a streak and then I dust it down towards where my bronzer is. This is just gonna make it look like it's blending in with that bronzer, and it's gonna look really like a glow from within type of look. Now I'm also going to take the same gold highlight and apply that on my nose and on my cupid's bow. Like I said, I want to have the same glow everywhere. Now I'm taking this Ulta Gel Black Liner and I'm going to line my waterline. And I like doing this because I have really big almond eyes, and by putting the black eyeliner, it just kind of closes off my eyes a little bit, but gives them like a nice, fierce, intense look, I guess you could say. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, and I'm gonna apply this to my top lashes and my bottom lashes. When I apply mascara, I like to shake the wand back and forth. This helps separate my lashes and it gives them a really nice volume. And this particular mascara gives really good length, so it's perfect for this natural look. Now I'm gonna just take a makeup wipe and wipe away the foundation from my lips and from my eyebrows. And I'm really fortunate that I have thick eyebrows and I don't have to like do fake eyebrows or drawn eyebrows, so it helps with my natural makeup look. Now I'm just going to take a spoolie and brush out the hairs. When I'm doing this, another trick that I like to do is spray it with setting spray so that way my hairs don't stick up and get out of place. Now I'm taking the Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss, and this is a really good universal shade, a universal lip gloss, and it just gives the most beautiful pinky rosy lip. Now I'm going to take the CoverFX Illuminating Setting Spray and I'm going to set my face. It gives a really nice dewy finish, but right now with these summer months I'd much rather use Urban Decay De-Slicker All Nighter. And lastly, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to wipe away any foundation that I may have left on my hair. And that is it, you guys. It's literally so easy to do this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys.